Did you know your brain processes a moving image 60,000 times faster than it reads a word? This amazing speed is why videos capture our attention so powerfully. We are drawn to movement and sound like magnets. But what makes some videos utterly unforgettable, grabbing millions of eyes? Why do certain stories stick in our minds for days? And how do top creators understand their audience's minds, almost like magic? You'll soon discover a simple test that can predict a video's success before it even goes live. Today, we're going on a treasure hunt. We will uncover the hidden clues that separate good videos from truly great ones. We'll learn to think like a detective examining a mysterious case. This detective mindset helps us understand why some videos soar. It also explains why others just float away. We call this special way of thinking the analytical mindset. It's like having X-ray vision for content. You don't just watch videos, you understand their inner workings. We will break down big ideas into tiny, understandable pieces. Each piece helps us build a complete picture. Get ready to peek behind the curtain of viral success. But first, let's learn the secret language these successful videos speak. Imagine you're baking a cake. You need specific ingredients and steps. Videos are similar. They have ingredients too. The first secret ingredient is called click-through rate. Think of it like a magnet for eyes. It's the number of people who see your video thumbnail and title, then decide to click it. If 100 people see your video and 10 click, your click-through rate is 10%. A higher percentage means your video's title and picture are super appealing. They are like a brightly wrapped present, tempting you to open it. The second ingredient is audience watch time. This measures how long people actually stay glued to your video. Did they watch for 10 seconds or 10 minutes? If your video is 5 minutes long and people watch for 3 minutes, your watch time is 60%. This is often called audience retention or average view duration. It's like a story so good you can't put it down. YouTube loves videos that keep people watching for a long time. It means viewers are enjoying themselves. Videos with high watch time get shown to more people. This is a huge secret for growth. The third crucial ingredient is engagement. This is about how people interact with your video. Did they give it a thumbs up? Did they leave a comment? Did they share it with a friend? Think of it like applause after a great performance. A lot of applause means a successful show. High engagement shows that your video sparked a conversation. It made people feel something. These three clues, click-through rate, watch time, and engagement, are your secret map. They guide you to understanding what your audience truly loves. But how do you use this map to fix your own videos? That's where the autopsy comes in. Now we become video doctors. We perform a video autopsy. This means we carefully examine a video after it's been made. We look for clues about why it performed the way it did. Was it a smash hit or a quiet whisper? We use our three clues: click-through rate, watch time, and engagement. Let's say you made a video about building a paper airplane. Your click-through rate was only 2%. This tells us something important. Your title or thumbnail picture might not have caught people's attention. Perhaps the picture was blurry. Maybe the title sounded boring. The audience didn't even click to give it a chance. The solution might be a more exciting title, like Fly Farther Than Ever, The Secret Paper Airplane, or a clearer thumbnail showing a cool airplane flying high. What if your click-through rate was awesome, say 15%, but your watch time was terrible? People clicked but left after 30 seconds of a 5-minute video. This tells us the beginning of your video wasn't strong enough. It didn't hook them in. Maybe your introduction was too long. Perhaps you took too long to get to the point. Viewers are like busy bees. They need honey immediately. The opening 15 seconds are super important. They are like the first bite of a delicious cookie. You need to make it amazing. What if people watched the whole video, but nobody commented or liked it? Your engagement was super low. This suggests your video didn't make them feel connected. It didn't ask a question or invite their thoughts. You need to create moments that spark a reaction. Maybe a cliffhanger question at the end, or asking viewers directly for their opinion. Believe it or not, a video that only gets 100 views but has a 90% watch time can be more valuable than a video with 10,000 views and a 10% watch time. This is because the high watch time video tells you exactly what people loved. The other video just showed a lot of people something they quickly rejected. Autopsy helps us learn from every single video. It helps us pinpoint the exact parts that need fixing. But how do we find out what's working for others? That's where we use a special mirror. The mirror test is not about copying someone else. It's about careful observation and learning. Imagine holding up a mirror to the most successful videos. We want to see what makes them shine. This helps us understand what works for a broad audience. We look at videos similar to what we want to create, but we don't just watch them for fun. We dissect them like our own videos. First, check their click-through rate. How? Look at their titles and thumbnails. Are they bright? Are they mysterious? Do they use big numbers or exciting words? The video titled 10 Amazing Ancient Cities You Won't Believe often does better than History of Old Towns. This small change can boost your clicks by 200%. Next, study their watch time. How do they keep people watching? Do they start with a mind-blowing fact? Do they introduce a problem and promise a solution? Do they use quick cuts and interesting visuals? Pay attention to their pacing. If a successful video about science explains a complex idea in 3 minutes, then your 10-minute explanation might be too long. Even famous viral videos often keep their main message short and sweet. Most successful videos get to their point quickly. They often have an average view duration of around 50 to 70%. Anything below 40% means people are leaving too soon. Finally, analyze their engagement. Do they ask questions in the video? Do they encourage comments? Look at what people are saying in the comments section. Are they excited? Are they asking follow-up questions? Viral videos usually have comments that build a community. The mirror test isn't about stealing ideas. It's about recognizing patterns. It's about seeing what ingredients consistently create delicious content. You are looking for ingredients that make your audience hungry for more. This helps you develop your own unique recipe for success. But sometimes, the biggest lessons come from unexpected places. What if a video completely flops? It gets hardly any views. Nobody clicks. Nobody watches. This feels bad, right? But wait. This kind of failure can be your greatest teacher. In fact, a video with very low numbers can teach you more specific lessons than a huge hit. A video that fails reveals exactly what your audience asterisk doesn't want. If you made a video about the history of ancient baskets and it bombed, that's a clear signal. Perhaps your audience isn't interested in baskets, or maybe the title wasn't compelling enough. We need to be careful with our interpretation. Sometimes a topic just isn't engaging for your specific audience. Other times, it's how you presented it. Maybe amazing basket weaving techniques would have been better. This is a pattern interrupt. Most people ignore their lowest performing videos, but smart creators study them like gold. They ask, what did I promise? Did I deliver? Was my title misleading? Was the topic just boring? Did the first 10 seconds scare people away? Learning from these failed experiments is like gaining a superpower. It helps you avoid making the same mistakes twice. It clarifies what not to do. This knowledge is incredibly powerful. It saves you time and effort in the future. It's like finding a map that shows all the wrong turns. Every failed video is a stepping stone. It brings you closer to your next big success. But how do we put all these pieces together for our future content? Now we have our tools, Autopsy for our videos and the mirror test for others. How do we combine them? Think of it like a scientist in a lab. You perform an experiment, measure the results, then change one thing. Then you experiment again. This is called the iterative loop. First, make a video. This is your initial experiment. Second, perform an autopsy on your video. Check its click-through rate, watch time, and engagement. Write down what worked and what didn't. Did people click but not watch? Did they watch but not engage? Third, use the mirror test. Look at 3 to 5 very successful videos on a similar topic. Analyze their titles, thumbnails, hooks, pacing, and calls to action. What patterns do you see? What did they do differently from your video? For instance, perhaps all successful videos about space exploration use bright, exciting pictures of galaxies. Your video used a dim picture of an astronaut. This is a clue. Fourth, use these insights to plan your next video. Change just 1 or 2 things based on what you learned. Don't change everything at once. Maybe try a brighter thumbnail or a shorter, punchier intro. This process repeats. You create, you analyze, you learn, you adjust. Small changes, like using a different color in your thumbnail, can sometimes increase clicks by 300%. This loop helps you get better and better. It's like leveling up in a video game. Each loop makes your content stronger. It's how top creators consistently produce amazing content. They are not just guessing. They are learning and adapting. This continuous improvement is the real secret. It builds a powerful connection with your audience over time, but can we use this to predict the future? This analytical mindset allows us to perform a future teller test. We can actually predict with reasonable accuracy how well a video might do. Before you even start filming, ask yourself these questions. Does my title spark curiosity? Will it make people want to click immediately? Is my thumbnail clear, exciting, and inviting? Does it tell a tiny story? Will the first 15 seconds of my video hook viewers instantly? Is there a big question or a surprising fact? Is my story well-paced? Does it keep people engaged throughout its entire length? Does it have moments that make people think, laugh, or feel something strong? Will my video make people want to share their thoughts or ask questions? Does it invite a conversation? Now here's the kicker. Take your idea and apply a mini mirror test. Before you make it, find 3 to 5 successful videos that are similar. How did they answer these questions? What do their titles, thumbnails, and intros look like? Imagine your video sitting next to them. Does yours stand out positively? Does it promise something exciting? Does it look like it belongs in the group of successful videos? This isn't about being perfect. It's about increasing your chances. It's like a chef tasting the ingredients before cooking. They know if the dish will be good. The most shocking discovery. Many viral videos succeed not because they are complex, but because they pass these basic tests with flying colors. They have a captivating title, an inviting thumbnail, a strong hook, and they keep you watching. They use simple but powerful techniques to connect with millions. Your brain now has the X-ray vision for understanding content. You possess the detective skills. You know the secret language. You can dissect, learn, and grow your content. You can even predict success. This ability helps you create truly unforgettable videos.